Hey, Forest Ridge first graders. Just going to read you another story here. Now, this book is called Pig the Stinker. It's written by Aaron Blaby, and Scholastic has given us permission to read this story, so that was nice. But what's not so nice is how stinky, dirty, gross this book is. So, just this is a warning. If you don't like stinky, dirty things, do not listen to this book, Pig the Stinker. Okay, so if you don't want to listen to it, turn this off. Get out of it. I'm warning you. It's pretty gross. Pig the Stinker. Ooh, even the book is dirty. Pig the Stinker. Pig was a pug, and I'm sorry to say his personal hygiene was far from okay. Personal hygiene, that means how well you take care of yourself. I mean, look at the picture. It's all stinky. Oh, you can even tell he smells. Pig liked to get dirty. He, frankly, was rank. His paws could be frightful. His fur often stank. Oh man, look at that green smell just coming up from him. He wasn't offended by odor or smell, and if you weren't careful, he'd smell you as well. He played with all kinds of unspeakable muck. Ew, gross. What have I gotten myself into? And do things to make you scream, "Don't do that, yuck!" Gross. If you can't tell, he's in the toilet. He leaked out a stench that could not be forgotten. He reeked, he was rancid. In short, he was rotten. Stinky, stinky. So bath time was called. "You stinky old mutt, you need a good clean from your ears to your bottom." It's not really what it said, but I improvised. But Pig turned his tail, and before you could grab it, he was out of that room like a foul little rabbit. They chased him, but Pig had a devious knack for ducking and weaving and doubling back. Nobody can catch him. And once he had lost him, he used a small toy to block up the pipes. Then he hooted with joy. By the time they had found him, Pig boogied with glee. "You won't get your soapy old water on me." What did he do? He's not only stinky, but he's naughty. They watched as Pig gloated. They watched as Pig crowed. They watched as Pig's plan made the bathroom. Uh-oh, look what's happening to the pipe. Explode! Oh no. These days, it's different, I'm happy to say. If you tell Pig it's bath time, he won't disobey. But although you can wash him with soap, cloth, and towel, there's no getting around it. Pig is just foul. Oh no, I don't know if you can see. He's stinking up the water. Oh my goodness. Okay, don't be like Pig the Stinker. Take your bath, wash your hands, clean, clean, clean. Okay, it's important right now, especially more than ever, to be clean and wash your hands and have good personal hygiene. So don't be like Pig the Stinker. Have a good day. Love you all. Miss you.